Today, we're going to unlock the power to transform flat artwork into impressive 3D masterpieces directly within Adobe Illustrator. Let's start by drawing a simple shape. I'm using a circle here, but you can choose a square, a triangle, or whatever your heart desires. Make sure your shape has a fill color, and if you like, a stroke. Next, select your shape using the selection tool, then head over to the effect menu at the top of the screen, click 3D and materials, and then extrude and bevel. A new window will appear with some exciting options. First, adjust the extrude depth. This controls how thick your 3D shape will be. Set it to whatever you like. Play around with those settings. Below that, you'll see the bevel options. These are details around your shape's edges. There are several options which can make the design look amazing. Finally, under surface, you can change materials to different looks. Now, it's time to play with your perspective. You can manually rotate your 3D shape by dragging inside the cube on the right side of the panel, or by inputting the numbers. Change the view. Also, use the light setting below the shape to give it an even more realistic look. See the magic? Your flat shape now has depth and dimension. This technique is perfect for creating eye-catching logos, illustrations, and design elements because it added creative depth in your design. Congrats! You now have the tools to create stunning 3D effects. Now go forth and create. Don't forget to like and subscribe.